Hey everyone! Today we are counting down the top 5 best Carhartt jackets for 2025. Rugged, durable, and built to last. All links are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Flame-Resistant Duck Traditional Coat. This classic features flame-resistant fabric meeting NFPA 2112 standards, perfect for working around flames or electrical hazards. The 12-ounce cotton duck shell is incredibly tough with blanket lining for warmth. Longer cut for extra coverage with multiple pockets. Number 4. The Flame-Resistant Rain Defender. Rain Defender technology repels water while staying breathable, plus flame resistance for multi-hazard protection. Full zip front, storm flap, adjustable cuffs, and multiple pockets. Lightweight but incredibly durable for unpredictable weather. Number 3. The Flame-Resistant Duck Active Jacket. Style meets functionality with flame-resistant duck fabric in a streamlined, active fit. Moves with you, perfect for dynamic work. Quilted lining, triple needle stitching, two-way brass zipper, and drop tail for coverage. Classic Carhartt look with modern safety. Number 2. The Flame-Resistant Lanyard Access Jacket. The game changer? Pass-through opening for your lanyard while keeping your badge visible. Perfect for ID checks. Plus flame resistance, quilted lining, multiple pockets, and legendary Carhartt durability. Ideal for tradespeople and security professionals. Number 1. The Flame-Resistant Loose Fit Duck Insulated Active Jacket. The complete package. Flame resistance, premium insulation, loose fit for layering, and indestructible duck canvas. Wind fighter collar, rib knit cuffs, reinforced pockets. Built for the harshest conditions and toughest jobs. Whether you're in construction, welding, or utilities, this is it. Our top pick for 2025. There you have it, the top 5 best Carhartt jackets for 2025. All purchase links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Which jacket is your favorite? Drop a comment. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.